And the Lakhimpur Kheri deaths have had ripples in the Supreme Court too. While the Attorney General representing the government said that there should be no further protests to prevent incidents like the one in Lakhimpur Kheri, the court has questioned why farmers are continuing their protests since it has already put a freeze on the farm laws.
These farmer protests that have carried on for nearly a year. But now, is the tragedy in Uttar Pradesh being used to bring these to an end? With the court set to examine whether the right to protest is absolute and whether farmers can continue protests despite farm laws being sub judice, while hearing a plea by Rajasthan-based farmers group Kisan Mahapanchayat, which has asked for permission to hold a Satyagraha Jantar Mantar in Delhi, despite its petition in the Rajasthan High Court challenging farm laws, a two-judge bench of the Supreme Court said that you can't come to court and also protest outside. They also said that when a government has already said that it's not implementing the laws yet and there's a stay on the laws from the Supreme Court, then why are you protesting? The centre intervened, asking the court to rule these protests as illegal, saying that there should be no further protests to prevent unfortunate incidents like the one in Lakhimpur Kheri yesterday. To this, the court said that it would examine the matter.
सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने यह टिप्पणी करी कि जो पार्टी एक बार न्यायालय को अप्रोच कर लेती है तो वह पक्षकार अब आंदोलन के हकदार नहीं है.
The biggest farmers' union body, Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, which has driven the protest at the borders, criticized the court's observations today.
संवैधानिकता के बारे में जो केस पिछले साल फाइल हुआ था, उसकी एक भी सुनवाई नहीं हुई है. पिछले एक साल में एक मिनट नहीं मिला है माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट को इन तीनों कानूनों की संवैधानिकता की जांच करने का. सुप्रीम कोर्ट सुप्रीम है, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट को एक सलाह भी मिलनी चाहिए. कोर्ट को मिसगाइड न किया जाए, ये मेरा निवेदन है. और किसी और के बारे में कोर्ट ने जो कहा है उससे किसानों के संघर्ष और किसान मोर्चा के बारे में निष्कर्ष न निकालना चाहिए.
In December 2020, a bench led by CJI Bobde had said on the farmers' protest that the court will not intervene with the protest in question. Indeed, the right to protest is a part of a fundamental right, and right to protest can be exercised subject to public order. The bench had also said that there can certainly be no impediment in the exercise of such rights as long as it's non-violent.
The next hearing in the case will take place on 21st October, and the big question is, will the tragedy at Lakhimpur Kheri now become the reason for clamping down on all farmers' protests, an issue that can have nationwide ramifications? In New Delhi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.